That's a great unboxing. Thank you guys. Hey SFM, so this is how we set up the electronic. Try to do the mix mode in here, but it doesn't seem to be working. Um, where's the mix mode? Yeah, so I tried to do the mix mode in there, but it doesn't seem to be working. So what I did is the manual way. So if you know how to fix this one, please do share and let me know how you do it. So this is what I basically do. I just split the cable. So we are using two ESC. So one 1060 for the front and one 1060 for the back, and we putting two batteries in there. So the way I did it is basically just do a Y splitter cable, cut the red one on one of them to one of the ESC. As you can see, there's one red cable that is cut. There you go. And just put it in channel 2. Yep, if you know how to do the mix mode, please let me know. Thank you. So I'll show you how it runs with two ESC there. 1, 2, so left, right, forward, inward. Okay, let's see how we go. This is the 2S. You can see in there, that's 2S battery. Let's see how we go. GPS. Come on. There you go. Alright. I'm not sure if this is in kilometer or miles per hour. We'll see how we go anyway. Alright, speed test, 2S. Here we go. Oh, that's half. That's full throttle. Full. Oh, it's going everywhere. full throttle. I think on 3S it's gonna be difficult to drive. Full throttle there. There's a car behind me. He's okay. See our speed. So we got 20. I think that's kilometer per hour. So that's 20 kilometer per hour. I'll do the conversion to miles per hour on the screen. Let's try 3S now. Okay, so it turned out that I don't actually have any DIN plugs for my 3S battery. Those 2S batteries just used for the MJX and HPX, those small cars. Most of my battery is running EC5 and XT60, and I don't have any connector. So as you can see there, I just did a very amazing soldering job in there. So it's not going to be a fair comparison because this is parallel. I'm just gonna run one 3S battery and goes to 2 DIN plugs. Yeah, thumbs up if you like my soldering job, guys. I think it looks amazing. Okay, test with 3S. I know it's not a fair comparison, guys. Previously we did 2 batteries for 2 ESCs, but now this one I'm just gonna go with one big 3S batteries, which is with my lovely soldering, and it's only for this. Let's see how we go in 3S. And wait for the GPS. GPS is there. Awesome. Let's give it a try. Alright, the 2S was 20 kilometer per hour. Let's see how 3S goes. It's really not stable, and I don't want to damage that new body in there, which I haven't even been working on it yet. Half throttle, quarter, and full. Whoa. Full throttle, guys. It's shaking. It's rattling everywhere. Let's turn that one in, and full throttle. That is not stable at all, guys. Alright, let's bring it in. The steering is actually working really well, not if it's not on the grass. Not a big difference, guys. 34.9. Let's see if we can do 25. 24.9 kilometer. Ooh, but the acceleration is super good. We'll give it a nice test next time, guys, with 2 3S batteries. I think you'll get more out of it. Oh. can get 25. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this build video is helpful for you all. Thank you.